Quick tour of the fire alarms in the post office. Got Simplex. I originally thought these were strobe plates, but they actually look, since they're completely frosted, they actually look like light plates with what looks like a Simplex 2903 light plate. 29 Simplex model numbers are ridiculous. 2903 9838. I think that's what the thing is. The model number is for the horn. I don't know the model number for the strobe plate. Same thing over here. And back here we have yet another Simplex 9838 with a strobe plate. For smoke detectors, there are, I have no idea what model number that is for there, but it's an older smoke detector from Simplex. Only one I'm familiar with is the Simplex True Alarm, but that's a more modern one. Same thing over here and over here. Another one of those Simplex detectors. That's all the fire alarm equipment out here in this area. There's no pull stations out here. Try to show one more. You can kind of see in there, there's another one of those strobe or light, most likely a light plate, most likely the same thing that's over in there.